It's your girl, Miss Brooklyn TV, coming at you again with another video. This time I have an unboxing for Universal Yums. The box came today, so let's just get right in. I already opened it, but I don't know what's inside. Okay, Universal Yums is a monthly subscription. It's $25 a month. I have the Yum Yum box, which is the bigger box. The smaller box, the Yum box, is $15, and every month there's a different country. I don't know what January's country is. Last month it was Germany, December, and the snacks were good. They had a lot of chocolate, and it was a very good box. The German chocolate is really tasty. So let's get in. Let's dig in this box. I'm excited. I don't know what country it is. Oh, by the way, they give you a clue every month as to what the next month country will be. But I don't. By the clue, I don't know what this month will be. So it's a surprise to me too, guys. Oh, it's Ukraine. It's the Ukraine. I guess Russia, I'm assuming. I don't know what this is. This is some kind of chip. Okay, I will try. Oh, and this big bag of candy. Okay, I'll try the chocolate. I don't know what this stuff is. Hmm. It has a filling. That's quite good. I'm gonna try this. Tastes like a croissant. Tastes like croissant, but it tastes kind of dry. Like, ugh. Okay. Hell no. Mm-mm. Oh, God. This thing, I don't like it. Hell no. And then this big bag of candy, I don't know. Oh, God, that thing is nasty. Maybe I'll try one. Okay, what I just tried was the Fizzy Boom hard candies. Mm. Mm. Hell no. Good gracious. Oh, whew, Father God, that thing tastes bad. I think that will be it, guys. I cannot taste any more of these snacks. So far, maybe one thing tastes good, and that was the This tastes good. I'm scared to try the other stuff, guys. But that's pretty much it. These snacks are from the Ukraine. Um, so I will be trying these snacks um at a later time. Uh, I'm really not looking forward to the rest of these snacks because they're not in English. But this booklet will tell me. Okay, let me read out the clue for next month. Ditch the horoscope because we can already say that you'll fall in love soon with yums on the way. Orange cookies, anise candies, and tiramisu. Their SIBO, quote unquote, is so easy to love, you won't want to share with your boo. I have no idea what that is. That's the clue. Next month's clue. I have no idea. Well, that's it, guys. My review for Universal Yums. Um, so as I said, one thing is tasty so far, but that's it, guys. This is your girl, Miss Brooklyn TV. Peace.